Chicago Symphony, Radio Brooks' first violin concerto. If you want a great pump up soundtrack, just like it all, third movements of concertos or last movements of concertos are all just so energetic and really something to pump you up, hopefully giving you some energy on this Monday to help us get through this Monday together. You're tuned to WCRB, Classical Radio Boston. And WCRB is grateful to all Ralph Lowell Society patrons who participated in the June RLS Challenge. Thanks to you, we raised more than $290,000, and those contributions helped to unlock an additional $100,000 from another generous RLS donor. This combined funding will help us deliver on the classical music you love all year long. So, from all of us at WCRB, thank you for your continued support.
Classical Radio Boston is 99.5 WCRB, WCRB HD1 Lowell, Boston. Also on WGBH HD2 Boston, WCAI HD2 Woods Hole, Martha's Vineyard, WJMF HD1 Smithfield, Providence, a service of Bryant University, the character of success, and at classicalwcrb.org.
Philip Jones Brass Ensemble, Aston's Hornpipe.